My name is Rene Trevino, and my Kickapoo name is Taroe. And I run the NO Cosquille Piqui program. And what we do here, we do a little bit of construction, remodeling, landscaping, and we got about 115, 116 employees going on right now. Kickapoo tribal members. This is my biggest project, is the gravel pit, caliche pit. We've used the products for roads, parking lots, basin for hotel, basin for the new clinic, government building, community center, and a mechanic shop. So also we did a new subdivision, 40 homes, and we used the base to make the roads and the foundation of the houses.
I'm Don Spalding. I'm the tribal administrator for the Kickapoo traditional tribe of Texas. My job entails just about everything that happens here at the tribe. One of the projects that we've taken on is this aggregate processing plant up here. We started this project because we were doing so much construction. There's so much base that was needed, and we had so much base available here on the reservation. So we figured we'd try to get into the aggregate business. We've put in parking areas enough for 2,500 automobiles. We did a new expansion on our 249-room hotel. All that needed base, some of it as deep as 4 foot underneath that. We're building 5 new projects right now, and those combined are about 120,000 square feet, about $130 million worth of projects. We started out with a 271 model, small screen. We got used to that. We saw that there was just so much more opportunities. We contacted Larry Smith with TKO, told him we wanted to produce other materials, and he put us in touch with John McGimpsey, the regional manager for KPI-JCI Astec Mobile Screens, to talk about other products they manufacture that we could use. The next piece of equipment we bought was a 30 by 80 stacker. Now we own 2 of the 30 by 80 stackers. We own 2 horizontal stackers, 30 by 60. We've got the fold and go 2516. We've recently purchased a SuperStacker, which has made a big difference for us as far as the segregation of materials. It just saves a lot of time. We're here along the Rio Grande Basin, and there's a lot of material that's used for flexible base, select fill and stuff. So we use 3" minus for a lot of select fills on the job, and for some of the sub base for roads that have been done around here, 1.5" minus flex base. We also have done some landscaping stones, 2" 1.5", 3/8", 5/8", 3/8 inch pipe bedding, oversized material, anywhere from 4 inches to 9 inches that we've used in gabion baskets. So we've done a lot of products. One of the real reasons we did this project is to try to give opportunity to tribal members to learn a new trade and to be able to have some work. Everybody calls it the construction department. Renee can say it in Kickapoo, but it translates out to new beginnings. So it gives a new start to tribal members that want to actually come out to work and learn a new trade.
When I came back home, I was looking for a job, and I came to Mr. Spalding over here. And so we created a program where all the tribal members can have opportunities to work, have second chances, to start off somewhere. And now we're here after 3 years. I've seen a lot of growth, and a lot of individuals have gotten their job up higher, and some of them even are supervisors now. And this program has been growing, and they've been doing pretty well.
There's a lot of equipment that we have looked at out, different manufacturers. We went with KPI-JCI Astec Mobile Screens because the service that we get from TKO, the technical assistance that's provided by John, we just thought that that's just who we'll stay with. We do have problems with the equipment from time to time, but getting it serviced and getting people out here is just like night and day compared to a lot of the other manufacturers. Another reason that we went with KPI-JCI Astec Mobile Screens is that the products are made here in the United States, and the tribe wants to support the products that are made here in the companies that produce those products. So we're doing a lot more than what we ever thought we would do. We're real happy. We're real proud of Renee's people working out here. They're learning a lot. You know, we're real proud to be associated with KPI-JCI Astec Mobile Screens.